Hello everyone. Today I will talk about the differential equation. So what is the differential equation? So an equation in which at least one term contain dy by dx or d2y by dx2 etc. is called a differential equation. Okay. So yeah. So if a equation like dy by dx, it means an equation in which at least one term contain dy by dx, d2y by dx2 dot 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 like this, then we will say the equation is differential equation. In other words, we can say that here y is dependent variable. Okay, and x is the independent variable. Okay, so in other words, we can say that an equation in which involves dependent variable, independent variable, and derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called differential equation. Okay, so let me give you some example like this. Let me take an example like d2y by dx2 plus y is equal to 0. Another example dy by dx plus y square is equal to 0. Okay, and d2y by dx2 plus dy by dx plus something sin x is equal to 0. Okay, so these are the differential equation. You can see here this term is contained or this term is contained. Okay, so these are the differential equation. Now, what is the order of a differential equation? Order of a differential equation. Now, the highest order derivative present in a differential equation is known as its order of a differential equation. So, the highest order derivative present in a differential equation is known as its order. Okay. Now, taking some example, dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. So, what is the order of this differential equation? Order is 1. Okay. Now, dy by dx 2 plus dy by dx is equal to something y. Then order of this differential equation is, so highest order derivative present in this differential equation is 2. So order is 2. Okay. Now, degree of a differential equation. So, what is the degree of a differential equation? Degree is the highest power of the highest order derivative. Okay, so the highest power of the highest order derivative is the degree of the differential equation. The highest power of the highest order derivative is called the degree of differential equation. Okay, for example, let me tell you something. Uh, Degree of a differential equation. Okay, to find the degree, our differential equation should be free from the square root and also from okay, is free from the like radicals. Okay, so in which we can say square root. Okay, so now taking some example like dy by dx whole square plus y is equal to 0, d2y by dx2 plus dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. So and square. Okay, so what is the order of these differential equations? Okay, for this the order is 2, for this the order is 1. How can you say that, sir? Okay, let me tell you, like the highest order derivative, the power of the highest order derivative. Okay, so the highest power, so this is the highest order derivative and the power of this derivative is 1. So the degrees sorry, order is 1 and for this is 2 and the degree is what, 2, for this degree is 1. Okay, now next example, like sine d2y by dx2 is equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Okay, so we will solve it. We will get d2y by dx2 is equal to sine inverse 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Okay, so the order is 2, highest order derivative is 2. Okay, and the and we can't say about the degree. Degree is not defined. How can you say that, sir? Actually, the degree, why I am saying the degree is not defined, because this the differential term is in the trigonometric term, is inside the trigonometric term. Okay, that's why we can say this is not defined. It means uh, uh, this is inside the sign. Okay, so this is not defined and so yeah, our degree is not defined. Now, uh, taking another example, like d2y by dx2 plus y is equal to 0. Can you tell me the order and degree of this differential equation? Yes, order is 2, degree is 1. Okay. Now 1 plus dy by dx is equal to d2y by dx2. Okay. Now tell me what is the order and degree of this differential equation. So first remove the square root. Okay. So squaring both sides. Squaring on both sides, we will get 1 plus dy by dx is equal to, it will look like d2y by dx2 whole square. So order is 2, degree is 2. So we have got the value. Thank you for joining. Bye bye.